Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of one of the best cargo trailer windows available on the market, the RV Exit Window 30x20. Whether you're upgrading your teardrop trailer or need a reliable emergency window for your RV, this product promises durability, safety, and ease of installation. This RV Exit Window by RVMURTS is DOT certified, meeting rigorous safety standards in the USA. It's designed to withstand impact, ensuring your safety in emergency situations. It fits a rough opening of 30 inches wide by 20 inches high, with a 3-inch corner radius, ideal for 1-3/4 thick teardrop trailer walls. It's versatile enough to fit 1-1/2 thick walls with a reversible interior trim ring. Built to resist shattering and external impacts, providing robust protection for your vehicle and passengers. Offers excellent thermal insulation to keep your RV cool in hot weather, complemented by a multi-layer filming shade for added comfort and privacy. Includes all necessary hardware and a straightforward installation process, perfect for DIY enthusiasts. The RV Exit Window features internal waterproofing grooves to prevent rainwater infiltration, ensuring your interior stays dry. It's equipped with a unique emergency lock bar, allowing safe and secure ventilation from inside the trailer. The included fine mesh screen promotes good air circulation while keeping insects out. Wrapping up, the RV Exit Window 30x20 stands out as an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade or replace their cargo trailer windows. Its blend of safety, durability, and ease of installation makes it a top contender in its category. If you found this review helpful or have any questions about the RV Exit Window, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and product insights here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more reviews that help you make informed buying decisions. Until next time, take care and happy trails.